So here's how to make a butterfly blue pea tea. Well, for a Sekuraba, let's call it FumaKen Tea, maybe. Let's rewind and I'll show you how. Here's our ingredients. Let's begin with our main ingredient, butterfly blue pea flowers. You may use fresh or dried. For this tutorial, I am using fresh blooms. To start, soak for a minute and rinse to remove the insects or dust. Then, pick only the petals. Now pour the hot water and allow to steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Just a reminder, this caffeine-free tea is actually tuh-zein, meaning it's an herbal tea with many health benefits. Currently, no known side effects, but for caution, if you have pollen allergies or are pregnant, check with your doctor first. If it causes nausea or diarrhea, please refrain from drinking. I think it's ready. Okay, so when the petals turn translucent and the water turns indigo color, it's time to use your strainer or a fork will do to remove the petals. Voila! Here's our butterfly blue pea tea, or because it's color blue, maybe we should call it Kenty. Now you may drink it as ice cold Kenty, but I guess many Kenty girls would prefer a hot Kenty, right? Now you can drink it plain unsweetened, but it will not be Kenty if it's not sweet. So let's add honey or sugar as per taste. Now enjoy sipping your honey butterfly Kenty while flipping through your favorite Kenty or Sexy Zone magazine. Enjoy your tea time! Now, by force of nature, Kenty can turn to Fuma tea. Like some Kenty girls, by force of nature turns to Fumatan. Sorry, it's an inside joke with some fellow Sekuraba, but I will not name names because you know who you are. Kidding aside, now it's really mesmerizing like a mood ring. So it changes color with a change in pH levels from neutral to acidic. Now the indigo color can turn to this purple color tea when you add something citrus or acidic like calamansi, lemon, lime, and more. Now to make Fuma tea, you will make Kenty first, but you will add half of lemon juice or squeeze in 5 pieces calamansi juice to the mixture. Let's watch as the magic begins. Now, if you will ask me how it tastes, it's really refreshing like a lemonade or calamansi tea or juice. But what's interesting with this drink is its mesmerizing blue and purple color. Here it is, your very own FumaKen Tea. Enjoy your tea time!